morning from sunny Lancing. We're on our way to Lancing Motor Show and we're here with Just Jap, so let's have a quick look what's here. We've got some very lovely cars, but you know what I'm going to be looking straight at? This car's very, very well known. This thing's absolutely mental, I love it. Even like down to the wheels, check that out. Status error. That's so cool. And I think I missed the wing. Oh. Well, that's just a little snippet of what we're going to see at the show. Some epic cars, but they always have absolutely amazing cars in the Just Jap stands. You will see some, we've seen some of these before because obviously we go on Just Jap as well.
Glenn, I'd just like to talk to your people and just let them know that this reg is Emma's reg, who is the owner of Just Jap. Yes.
Not David.
Every video. So it's Emma's reg, who co-owns Just Jap.
I'm David Saunders at a good price.
I'll leave it in, don't worry. You know David's a good friend of mine as well.
Yes, he's a good friend of ours too. We just thought we'd have a little bit of a giggle.
He does regret selling it.
I bet he does.
Okay, so we're now at Lancing, we're following it in, and that car's got nothing to do with status error at all, I've been told. Check it out. Oh no, look who it is!
Hiya.
You alright, mate? How you doing? Okay, so I always like to try to give a good shout out to the group that we're with, and Just Jap are a really good bunch of people. I have known them for many, many years, and you just got to look at the cars that are on this stand. Now obviously this is one of the crew cars, but you've got Matt's IS350 F Sport, the Mad 350, and let's just take for a quick wander around. I was having a look at this Supra earlier. I love the wheels on this Supra. I would say they're almost brand new, wouldn't you? Yeah. They are very, very nice wheels. It's the one colour of Supra that was never really popular. Yeah, this is cool, isn't it? That's really smart. Love the bike as well, Kawasaki. Lovely Altez with a serious amount of brake horsepower. I think it's 1300.
Tell him, say Pete was right, you have to wind up, say Pete was right. He hates I call it that.
Lovely. Lovely RX-7. I like the way they drilled up the bonnet, the bumper on that as well. Looks very clean, don't it? Yeah, it's a very clean looking car. This is Mr. Just Jap's car. I saw him building this, or building part of it at least. Very nice Impreza. Loads of work gone into there. The FTO wasn't here when we got here.
Yeah, it was.
Was it?
Yeah.
Really nice. Now, this is a very well-known car. I'm not going to say where it came from, but I really like it, and I really like the sleepy eye look. I like these wheels, but I'd have to have them on both front and back. But that's very cool. It's a cool car. Very cool car. Massive wing on the back. We'll catch the skyline in a minute on the inside. We did walk around a little bit of this morning, but I wanted to make sure that we got everybody. As like I said, we're with this group. There's Terry's drift missile. There's quite a pause there, wasn't there? Very nice Legacy. We was looking at this earlier. I like the MX-6. You don't see them. It's just something a little bit unusual. Very nice Civic S Sport, or Sport, I don't know. And the lovely Cabriolet or Roadster 350Z. With a very nice number plate. 323. You've got a lovely Civic inside here, a lovely Skyline, and a nice bike we'll have a quick look at. I really like the wheels on this one actually. It's a very nice choice for that car. With the tiniest little exhaust on it. Very nice bike. I don't do bikes, but it does look a piece, don't it? Right, let's carry on. We've got the last few. A nice MR2. And we saw this waiting to when we was about to leave. Shotgun exhausts, big wide wheels, wide arches, mental interior.
That looks mad. That looks nice. Wouldn't want to touch it. How you doing though, mate?
Yeah, not bad, man, you? Now, Mazda never thought their car was going to look like that, did they?
Probably not.
Huh?
Probably not.
And then as we're back to where we were a second ago. Well, let's hit the Vortex stand now. Lovely Mustang over there. Good morning. You all right? Everybody seems to be cold. I don't know what's wrong with them all. We've seen this car before, plenty of times before. You can see the light today. Last time I done it, it was sunny and we couldn't see it.
Yeah, I worked it out for you now.
It looks very smart. You can see the detail on the wheels as well. Love it. Very nice. Well, I'm going to try and walk around because they're all cold. It would look cool. We put this, wasn't this the Fiesta that we came past? It was when we went past it too. I like that. That looks really sweet. Oh, carbon fibre boot as well. Can't say I've ever seen that before. Very cool. I like that a lot. Check out the. Very sweet. So we saw this at British Motor Show, right? I didn't realise that Fiesta's got a carbon boot, which I've never seen in a Mark II Fiesta before, but also a carbon fibre bonnet and a Mark IV.
Why not?
Well, we're not in the Ford world anymore, so you may find out. I mean, it looks like he's got skinned roof. It must be skins. I don't think the bonnet is though. It's very smart. I love the windows they do on these, right? So the race windows, but I just can't do it. I like my window open when I drive.
Yeah.
I wanted to see this Escort van actually.
Yeah, I like the Cortina behind.
Yeah, I was going to look at that as well. Check that out. So, all looking at that, you're not going to really notice anything. There's nothing different. Look, stock looking wheels, everything's stock. Yeah, everything's stock. What a wicked van. Love it. Look at the Cortina. Lovely Cortina. And we saw this on the route, and you saw this at BTCC when we was at British Motor Show. Love this Mondeo. Absolutely wicked. Didn't notice a plate on it last time. It must have had a show plate on. Look at the Escort van RS. Now I have videoed this before because you remember the side of it. And again, one of these cars, like I said, when I was growing up, that's what they were. And then Katie's lovely Focus. Yes, I did remember what it was called, but my brain just had a fart then. Some lovely Fords on here. Lovely Mondeo ST200, I believe. A lovely Mark II. And on the end, a Sapphire Cosworth. Oh, look, a Mark V Tina. Awesome cars. I grew up with cars like this.
It's a wheelie, so we don't actually use a wheelie, but it's the first part of practicing our next move. So notice how James is using the back brake. Our next move is a back hop, and what he's going to do is going to put the bike on the back wheel, hop the bike around the arena like that, using the back brake and those pedals like so. So round of applause for the back hop, everyone. Let's hear it for James. Come on.
Just a quick interruption to our video today to thank our sponsors. Dragon Car Audio and Security. They're based in Fareham and they can deal with all of your audio and security needs. I've put their telephone number down here so you can give them a call, but you will find all of their links in our description. Well, do hit them up if you need any audio or security, and well, let's get back to our video.
So we're going to go for one platform. So James is going first this time, and he's going to come up to the rail platform. If you look at James's left shin, you'll notice a scar. That scar happened on this very platform. So here we go, James up onto that platform, there we go. Oh, he's just adjusting his balance, the wind's picking up. He's going to pick the bike up, hopefully onto the next one, yes. He does that really well. And now we're aiming for an off safety towards the crowd. Get ready to, get ready to catch him in the corner. Here we go. Get ready to catch him. Open your arms up nice and wide. The wind's picked up. 1, 2. One more across to James, everyone. Nicely done, James. Patty flip onto the back wheel. Then he's going to look to go and mirror the shape of the platform. Front wheel. There we go. Nicely done. Onto the front first platform. And then he's going to go for platform number 2. So here we go. Wind's picked up conveniently. Onto the back wheel. We're lowering the bike down the platform. There we go. We're back up onto that platform. Nicely gapped across. Now, let's see if we can get you up and over safely. Here we go. The wind has picked up again. He's coming up the side. Round of course the chains, everyone. Okay, Matty King, 2 platforms for a street style rider. So there's the first one. See, look what happens when you get behind our riders. This is hard because he's going to an up gap. Yes, that's 2 platforms and then we get him safely off. Here we go, down we come. And that's 2 platforms done. Okay.
Hulk smash. He's put the one of the dials up on the. They used to do that classics years ago. I love the bonnet. Seen the bonnet? The bonnet is wicked. We've seen this at loads and loads of shows. And then you got Low, Loud and Proud that have got pretty much all of that. There's so many cars for them. Should we go the coffee bar way? Dave will like this. He does like his jetters. I'm going to get a skateboard done of mine. I just need to find someone. I'm waiting for him to walk away. Yeah, but they don't do. I want one of my car.
Oh, of your car.
I just need someone that can print it. And there's Kelly's car again. We never see this car, do we? No, never. And our other half's BMW. Oh look, here's the man. Young sir. Right, well, we'll go and have a look at the public car park in a second. And obviously we know Kerry's car. We've got to go and have a look at Mike's car because he always moans that I don't get it on film. Let's have a look. Oh, he's wrapped the front end of it. It does look really nice. Oh look, embossed underneath it with the Low, Loud and Proud.
And on the middle of the bonnet.
Yeah, I saw the one in the middle. I don't know if the camera's picking it up because you kind of got to get it at the right angle.
Yeah.
Is it a bike crack? I love it. It's wicked. Definitely got some stays in there to keep it there as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the. I do like a car that stands out. I think we know this one as well.
Yeah, it's a little bit. And the one next to it.
Oh, quick. No, you're supposed to fit. I didn't catch it last time. Pull the funny faces again. No? That's amazing. You want to send that to your son?
Yeah.
Because that's the one, the proper one with the spoiler. That's the Widowmaker. The car that everybody feels like this morning. Frozen. That Escort looks jacked up, don't it? This one's stands out a bit as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the RS 2000. This looks original. I used to love these because of the bonnet bulges in. That's all original. That is very nice. I like that a lot. Very nice Supra.
original headrests in it as well. Really hard to get hold of now.
Are they?
Yeah.
We know this Supra. I videoed it the other week, didn't I? So clean. Beautiful, beautiful car. I do love the Evo. The Evo is beautiful. Proper period though, isn't it? Look at the size of the wheels. All original.
Yeah.
The headrests you talk about remind me of the Capri ones back in the day. He's actually got coins in the coin thing. You don't see that very often.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful Evo. A very nice MX-5. Check the wheels on this. They're very, very different. They're very cool. I mean, obviously it looks even better because it's down on there, but they are really nice wheels. Very unique, and all Marvel engine bay. Very cool. Matt will love this. Oh, very cool as well. So that's a split rim. I'm guessing that's not, that's a forge. I said you'd like that. It's all Marvel. This is really sweet.
That Evo,
Yeah.
only 1,093 produced in that spec.
Really? Have you checked the wheels out on that?
Yeah, I know, those wheels are mint.
They're wicked, mate. I like the way they've wrapped the back of this as well. The emboss is really smart as well. That's a tidy build.
These are nice.
I'm not sure about them, but they just seem a bit OTT. I don't do OTT. If any of you do hydro dipping and would like to dip these grills on a Fiesta some carbon effect, give me a shout. We've seen this before. I love this. Yeah, it's like my car and a Nichols. I like it in that colour. It's a lovely shade of red. Now that's a Mustang that looks evil.
Car coming, guys.
Found one. I found one. I found one. So we're just looking at the big. Huh?
I like the open vents on that other
See,
one.
I prefer this. I think it just looks nicer. Just my opinion, but
Your
that's
opinion?
But
It's wrong, but it's your opinion. No.
well done.
I agree with that opinion because it's mine.
Well, there you go.
There's one up there
You.
that's
I didn't notice you do have one of the tiny little spoilers on the back.
Yeah. Funny story about that. I went all the way to North Wales to get it.
Yeah.
In a Mark 1 KA, and I was taking the passenger seat out of the KA to get the wing in the KA.
Quality.
Come with me. I was like, hang on a minute, I take the seat out. You can't come with me.
quite like this as well.
Do you know, I didn't even notice that. I think that has got to be the biggest louvered window I've seen.
I quite like that.
I think that's very cool.
It's something different. So I don't use it every day. It gives it a bit of privacy.
They look wicked.
It looks awesome. That looks wicked.
Owen doesn't like it when the drive is because there's no fuel left afterwards. As you can imagine, Halloween's a good time of year for Owen.
Yeah. Oh, you mean the car? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, see the driver's face, Jesus.
He's done a show or two, hasn't he?
Just a few.
Look at this thing. I like the window, Matt.
Yeah. We've seen the wing.
Yeah, well, the boots like it.
Photos are really good.
No,
You
it's
can't
actually
zoom
fine.
in and out.
There's no holes in it.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's a rat. That's very cool. I do like that. There was one of these for sale in Littlehampton a little while back, and I was like, I really want it. I want to mess with it. They're really cool. I love the sleepy eye looks. Yeah. No, that's not that one though. It's the one before.
Is it?
I love the Thunderbird as well. Check that out. Just look at the interior of it. It's nuts. Absolutely crazy.
We knew it. But he climbs down.
That is awesome, I love it. What an absolutely wicked car.
Guy who obviously had it. Beautifully fabricated.
I bet you're happy you came now, aren't you? This is Southside, we do a lot with Southside as well. So we know this car very well. I was speaking to this guy was at the that thing that I did the other day for that guy with Southside. This is on air. I think we saw this in Tesco's in Littlehampton when it was white. I think I saw this, sat there going, my God, look at that body kit on it. I'm sure I took a picture of it. I quite like the way this is. It's up for sale as well. I think that's quite a cool build. It's very unique.
Yeah.
Can we do that to yours?
What?
Wide body it. The bonnet and the wheels first. You need some wheels if you wide bodied it. Nice Rocco. I do like a Rocco. Prefer the old Rocco, but E-Twingo. That's crazy. And the Renault 19. And there's a 9. That's what I had. Mine was the older version though. I have no idea. Do you know something? For someone that takes photographs, quite rude to walk in front of someone's video. Renault Clio 16 valve RSI.
Renault Rodeo.
A Renault Rodeo. Yep, nope. You've lost me on that one. How about the Marcus? I think so. It's really nice. The paint on this is wicked as well.
Yeah.
I love how they do the interiors, look.
Yeah. It's got a minor flip to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Blue and green.
And I can see it, so
Yeah.
which is nice for me to be able to see it.
Back end as well. Isn't it?
Yeah, they're beautiful. There's a couple of these go to Man Cave from Classics. Yeah, bed right at the back. Long wheelbase, very cool.
Did it go?
Sorry, mate.
You carry on, mate.
I like all the build as well.
You're welcome to jump in and have a look.
I'm a bit tired.
There's a bed in there. I don't know if I want to go home with him. He's a bit touchy.
Don't turn the camera off, yeah?
If it starts rocking, right,
It says it on the side. I mean,
there you go.
6'1" and I can stand.
That is very cool, isn't it? TV's in the corner as well, look.
Yeah.
And do you know what the nice thing is? If you feel cold, you can warm your feet up.
Yeah.
That is done very well, isn't it?
It's amazing.
That is wicked. And like
I
he
don't
says,
think I'd fit on the bed though.
like he says though, I mean, I'm not, he's 6'1" and he wasn't banging his head.
Yeah.
It's really unusual, isn't it? It's done really, really well. That's nice, I like that. Oh, and storage above as well.
Yeah.
That's done very, very well.
It's not crap.
I feel violated. Thank
We
you.
were that quick. So good because you like 6'1", you can like stand it. So
That was the reason we did. We weren't going to go for like a T6 or a T5 or something like that. And then we just thought, can't be asked for putting a pop top up every time and things like that. So
Yeah.
we went for it.
I don't think I'd actually fit on the bed. It doesn't look like it's like here.
Yeah, I do.
king size.
Yeah, it's a king
Is
size.
it?
It's a full king size bed. Yeah.
God, when you look at it, it doesn't look long enough.
No,
does it?
it's because it's up like that.
Yeah.
It takes that
But
that
actually
away from
is.
it, but it is actually.
Feel free to come jump in.
Do you know, I don't do 5x4s, but I would do it. That. Just because it's a beast. I want to see Dee and Ickle Paul get in it and drive away. Oh look, have you seen the number plate? Mini Glitz.
Yeah.
There isn't actually not many Yanks today, is there?
Huh?
Not many Yanks today.
No,
There isn't a bit of this that hasn't been. It tells you to get out of the way.
Yeah.
Holy cow! Look at the wheels.
they're quite cool.
Okay. Fucking all over it. Look. Got an obsession with boobs. I feel you.
And arse.
Oh, an arse. Jesus Christ. And now for the family version.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, that flip is awkward.
Yeah, it's I'm guessing it's a wrap. It might not be, but it does look like. But I like it because it's also a matte.
Yeah.
It does look really smart. It's a lot of Fiestas. What? That Fiesta looks very like a Mondeo. They've made it look like a Mondeo. Check this one out.
Basically the same colour but in gloss, isn't it?
Yeah,
It does pop better in gloss.
it does pop better in gloss actually. I said that I liked it in that, but it does look pop more in gloss.
As you walk past it, just completely changes colour.
It's wicked, isn't it? Look at the back end, just totally different colour.
Let's give him a cheer if he makes it off of this one. He's got to get it up there and turn it round in the wind. I did say it may not be doable. Come on, put your hands together for him. You've seen how difficult this is. This is absolutely stupid. Come on, James, here we go. Let's get it up there and turn it round. Wait for that gap in the wind. Here we go. Come on, look, you've got support. There's people willing you on. Here we go. Up onto that back wheel. The wind's picked up. I don't think there's any way around it. Up we go. Turn the bike and go. Don't mess around and go. Now we go. Now we go. Yes, let's hear it for James. Come on. Let's hear it again for James. Come on. Put your hands together for him. Here we go. Last bit. Let's finish this off. Glorious lava. Oh, thank God, I thought I'd killed the show. Okay, here we go. Last little bit. Get ready to catch in the corner. Here we go. Come on, James. 1, 2, 3. Round of applause for James, everyone.
Thanks for watching the latest video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do hit that subscribe button. We'll see you soon.